Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more flat beanie. Look at this crown, really great one. And look at this seam. When you stretch the head, it's absolutely invisible. So like this. The tutorial is really easy. The main pattern has only 2 rows to repeat, and there is nothing difficult, so it's beginner friendly hat. And the crown you can cover if you don't like it, but it's really great. As for me, you can cover it with a pom-pom. For this hat I was using 4.5 millimeters knitting needles, and you can use straight needles and romantic yarn, Chinese yarn. I was doing lots of projects before using this yarn, and as for me, this yarn looks like a bulky weight yarn. At least I cast on the number of stitches that I usually cast on while I'm using bulky yarn. So if you want to try knitting this cute hat with me, you're welcome, and we are going to start right now. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 78 stitches. The final number has to be divisible by 3 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. And we start with ribbing, slip the first stitch and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Please go on and finish ribbing till the end. At the end we always purl the last stitch. Turn and go on knitting ribbing. Knit the knits and purl the purls. Slip the first stitch, so this is knit 1. Next one is a purl stitch, so you purl it. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Go on ribbing back and forth until ribbing part reaches 5-6 centimeters. Here I am, that's what I have. And the first row of the main pattern, slip the first stitch. After that, knit 1. Now you see 2 stitches. First you purl the second one, make a yarn over, and now you purl the first one and drop 2 stitches of the needle. So let's repeat. Knit 1. Now 2 stitches. Firstly, purl the second one, yarn over, and right away purl the first one and drop off the needle. Knit 1. Let's repeat. Purl the second stitch, make a yarn over, and purl the first stitch. Please don't worry, it will not take lots of time, it's not hard, just you need to get used to it. and you will do it faster and faster each row. So purl, yarn over, purl, and drop. Knit one and repeat. Purl the second, yarn over, and purl the first. Please go on and finish this row. So at the end, you remember we have one extra stitch, knit one, and purl the selvage stitch. Turn. Now row number 2, slip the first stitch, you see the purl stitch, the next one, purl it, purl one, after that knit stitch, knit one, and next 2 stitches yarn over and purl stitch of the previous row, knit 2 together, and repeat. Purl one, knit one, knit 2 together. Really easy. Purl one, knit one, knit 2 together. Purl one, knit one, knit 2 together. And so on. Purl one, knit one, knit 2 together. Please go on and finish this row. At the end, one extra stitch, purl one, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and that's it. Now we are going to repeat from the first row. Slip the first stitch, knit one. Now you see already 2 purl stitches, so we purl them, purl the second, yarn over, and purl the first one, and repeat. Knit one, purl the second, yarn over, and purl the first one, and repeat. Knit one, purl, purl, and drop. Knit one. So I hope it's clear. After that you turn and purl one, knit one, knit 2 together, go on repeating until head reaches 20 centimeters. Here I am, and that's what I have. So let's measure 20.5 centimeters. And now on the right side, it means that you have to knit the first row and stop on the row number 2, and we are going to make increases starting from row number 2, but on the right side. Slip the first stitch, purl one, and then knit 3 together, and I'm going to do this in this way. Slip the first stitch, then knit 2 together, and now slip the first over the second one, and let's repeat. So purl one and knit 3 together. You can do it like this, but it's really tight and I don't like the final look. I want to make it a little bit smoother. So I slip the first stitch, then knit 2 together, then slip over first stitch, slip the first stitch over the second one. Let's repeat. Purl one, slip, knit two together, pass over, purl one, slip, knit two together, pass over. I hope it's clear, please go on. Turn. On the wrong side there will be no decreases. Slip the first stitch and just ribbon knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. At the end we had purl one, knit one, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Turn row number 3 again with decreases, slip the first stitch, purl one, and again I want to make knit 3 together. Slip the first stitch, knit 2 together, pass over, and repeat. Purl one, slip, knit 2 together, pass over, purl one, slip, knit 2 together, pass over. Please go on making decreases. So at the end we have just 2 stitches, just make slip, knit, pass over, and purl the last selvage stitch. Instead of 3, it was 2 at the end. Slip the first stitch and again ribbon, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one. Please go on till the end, and at the end will be purl one, knit one, and purl the last selvage stitch. Next row, slip the first stitch and knit 2 together all the way across. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together till the end. So at the end, knit 2 together, and the last row just purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. We'll do it together with you. And the last one. That's it, the crown is ready. Now cut the yarn and leave a 50-60 centimeters tail. I'm going to use a yarn needle and mattress stitch. First of all, let's slip remaining stitches. and slip all stitches. You can pull the tail once more underneath the remaining stitches. And now let's make a seam. So you see two selvage stitches, and I'm going to insert the needle between two selvage stitches underneath two bars. In this way, in this way, in this way. The same on the other side, so two selvage stitches and between two bars. Here, two selvage stitches and two bars. Two selvage stitches and two bars. If you want, you can use any other methods you know and you like. Leave me comments if you know something better than the mattress stitch. So underneath here and underneath here. Two bars here. And two bars here. Two bars. And on the other side. Always pull your seam, and that's what we get. Please go on seaming till the end, and I will see you after. Here I am, guys. So here is the seam, really great one. I would say invisible on the right side. So now you only need to weave in ends. In this way. Great. And cut the yarn and the same. Repeat the same with the second tail. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not fan of flat hats because I like to knit on circular needles in rounds, but I know there are lots of beginners and they want to knit a beautiful hat. So here's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and I hope to see you soon. Bye.